In this video, I'll show you how to see the risk-reward ratio in TradingView. On the left panel, click on the Forecasting and Measuring Tools icon. From here, you'll see options like long position and short position. You can also mark these tools as favorites, so they appear in your quick access bar. For this example, we'll use the long position tool. Simply click on the chart where you want to place it, and you'll immediately see two boxes appear, a green box and a red box. The green box represents your potential reward based on your take profit level. The red box represents your risk based on your stop loss level. You can easily drag the boxes to adjust them according to your preferred entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. The best part is that you don't need to manually calculate the risk-reward ratio. TradingView shows it for you directly in the tool, making it easy to evaluate your trades before entering.